We are in the midst of a digital journey. We started some years ago and do not know where it will end, but we know that it will continue.
We are in Brønderslev. It feels like they are just 30 years ahead of the rest of the world.
Start. You have to learn about your data and how you can improve. We serve a city. On the water side, we serve between 15 and 20,000, and we provide 6,500 water meters. At the end of 2016 and the start of 2017, we had this very high level, monthly level, 15 to 20% of losses. And then at that time we decided, now is the time to do something really serious about it.
When I started at the Brønderslev utility project, it was really hard and time-consuming for the team to actually find the leakages to fix it. So they were kind of firefighters who had to jump when there was a call or a pipe burst.
Before we had old meters where we couldn't communicate with. Today we installed meters that's a smart meter. Now we can communicate with all the meters. A pipe risk can help us to find leakage. We have green, yellow, red, and we will look after the red ones first. We have also noise loggers integrated directly to the WLM system, and it can help us to finding these leaks.
We have now lowered our monthly and daily and yearly water leakage. We are now around 4, maybe 5%, but on a more company-wise level, I would say that we are much more in control of our distribution system today than we were before. We know what happens from day to day and we can react. That kind of control is kind of gold for us. Sometimes I use the term that we dig gold out of the data, but it's a popular way to tell that those data-driven solutions really can benefit your organization.
I would say what started with a great innovation partnership here in Brønderslev in Denmark is now something utilities all in the world can benefit from.
So the solutions with the data-driven streams from different systems combined into portals like WLM portal is very useful for us. And I have been on conferences in Denmark and abroad, and I have been telling about this. Still people say, oh, they are so expensive. They say, yes, it is an investment, but there's also a big return on that investment if you go after it.